Slouch, the natural slouch.
I'm Jules Coleman. I'm founder and CTO at RESI.co.uk. RESI is an online architectural practice. We help homeowners build, extend, renovate their homes, all from here in Brixton, using technology to cover projects right across the UK. At our core, we're a technology business. I and my co-founder at RESI ended up going through a startup accelerator program, a little bit like a bootcamp for starting a startup, back in 2011. In fact, one of our kind of fellow bootcamp mates was the founders of Tray. Every time I have an opening here to bring on board a junior engineer, I'll always look to interview some Wagon candidates. The really special thing about Wagon is that combination of real-world experience and technical skills that people have on day one. They've learned a lot in quite a short space of time with Wagon, and they're ready to hit the ground running in terms of being effective here at RESI, but they're also open to learning new things and get up to speed much faster than we would expect of a typical graduate. I would absolutely recommend working with Wagon graduates to any companies hiring junior developers. We've had a phenomenal experience with all of our graduates, and the common thread is the Wagon program that has them job ready on day one.